Okay, well, my sister's extremely paranoid about being outside, being stuck in the heat, so I left her outside to burn up, and I locked all the doors. So we'll see how long this lasts. There's movement. She's lost. Oh, wait, here she comes. Sad thing. Let's watch. You have to go to another door. Go to another door. Go to another door. Oh, she's going to this one. Crap. You're gonna break it! Wow. I'm kind of impressed. Don't fall! Whoa, God, that wasn't even supposed to be, it was locked! Look, the deadbolt's sticking out! What the heck? Dang it, so he didn't lock this door! Dang it. Ugh. No, it won't lock. That's gay.
Did you get that on tape?
Yes.
Was that incredible or what?